A bit to clean up after the rain. Lots of leaves out here today. So today's chores will be cleaning all of this up. And yeah, this is what we're looking like. We had a lot of rain. We get a lot of rain out here anyway. But this actually came in handy. So I know this is kind of makeshift little tent thing here, just to allow some of the water not to get into the grow bags. I think what I'm going to do is bring up some sort of bamboo back here that will offer support as well as act as a trellis. Because then I can take some twine in between the bamboo sticks. So when spring comes and I do my peas and my beans and stuff, or anything that requires trellising, I can do that. But this is a lot of work out here to do. So I'm going to get started. But I do see some sprouts coming up with my radishes over here. So happy to see that. I'm sure that's not in focus, but you know, it's cold out here and we're going to hurry up and do this today. And then we have some sprouts coming in for the lettuce. Again, these are some loose leaves at the top. Grand Rapids, what was the other one? Mesclun, and then a loose leaf blend. And then I have my Little Gem, oops, can you see that? Little Gem romaine. And these guys over here. And then I think there's another one back here somewhere. I rotate these so they can get enough sunlight. I do need to tidy up this strawberry planter. I think I'm going to wait until next spring to really go through this because it didn't produce that many strawberries this time around. It was really warm this year, but I think I need to amend the soil in that, but I'm going to wait till the spring. And then under this, and once I get all of this clean, we'll check on the progress of that celery back there, see how the kale is holding up. And I do believe I have some sprouts coming in for the turnips. And we'll check on the carrots. But for now, I know that was really bright, I'm so sorry. For now, we gotta clean this mess up. Okay, so here we are, taking a look at, ooh, the celery has come up quite a bit. And just to store the plastic is going to probably be a permanent feature from here on out, just to try to help out with the amount of rain that's going into these grow bags. So, like I said, it rains quite a bit here, but we do have a lot of progress on the celery. Look at that. Yep. Okay. Let's see, as far as the kale, it's looking about the same, but it's okay. I think instead of the curly kale, I want to try one of the others. So I started another set of seeds from this kale, so I probably will just swap it out. But honestly, I think I want to just try another variety other than the dwarf blue curled. I believe that's what it was. But the exciting news is I do see some sprouts for the turnips. This is getting over. It's okay. I know it's a little ragamuffin out here because of the rain, so but bear with me. But I do see lots of sprouts, so it looks like there's some turnips, and it don't look like I need a lot of thinning to do. Maybe there's a couple over here, but these are at least, those are more than an inch apart. These probably need thinning, but at least we're gonna try some turnips. Hopefully, we'll see how that turns out. Let's look. Nothing so far on the carrots, but I know it can take a while for them to germinate, so I'm gonna be patient. The green onions are okay. They were just kind of smushed a little bit with the plastic, but I need to come in here and trim these up. But they've been holding on, so it's good. And yeah, then we have the swisschard still. It hasn't really moved a muscle since amending the soil, but it's okay. Between the kale and the swisschard, I started another seed, and that already germinated. So I'll probably end up swapping these guys out. I don't know if they got, I don't know, dwarfed or stomped or something in the process, but that's it so far. These bags, my collard greens, I do have sprouts on those. So those should be coming in the next couple of weeks to fill out these spaces back here along with the pak choi. So, but that's it for now. I will check back, clean the rest of this up. But I did decide to do my dry herbs back here, and considering all the rain, I think that was the smartest idea I can make. And then also, I know with the pineapple sage, it gets like this bloom in, I believe it's early spring or just sometimes in spring and also in fall. It's coming a little bit late, but I'm excited to see that bloom right there. Rosemary is doing well. Some lemongrass is, I think, probably drying back. Those are chives and green onions, and then I have some lemon thyme. It needs to be pruned, but it smells divine. And then some more, another leaf. Then some more rosemary back there that I started a while back. Now, when it comes to the mint, child, they're taking a hammering right now, but they'll get cut back, and hopefully we'll see more of that in the spring. I am excited for more of the chocolate mint that I have, so please stay with me through the winter and fall chocolate mint. I would love to see you again. Why did I start singing, child? Anyhow, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!